There comes a time in life when words are no longer needed, when silence speaks louder than any explanation, louder than anger, and louder than pain. We live in a world where everyone wants to be heard, to prove, to defend, to respond. But true strength isn't always in your voice. It's in your silence. Silence is not weakness. It's wisdom. It's the calm confidence of someone who knows their worth and doesn't need validation. When people misunderstand you, betray you, or try to pull you into drama, your silence becomes your greatest defense. Because silence says, I'm not lowering myself to your level. I know who I am. The loudest victories are not always celebrated in crowds. Sometimes they happen quietly, when you choose peace over revenge, discipline over impulse, and self-respect over reaction. When you remain silent, you let your results speak. You let time reveal truth. You let peace prove what noise never could. Remember this, those who talk too much often lose focus. But those who stay silent, move silently, and act with purpose, they win. Your silence is not the absence of words, it's the presence of power. Let your growth make the noise. Let your peace be your revenge. And let your silence be your loudest victory. In a world where people rush to defend themselves, argue back, or prove a point, silence has become a rare form of power. It takes immense inner strength to stay silent when your heart is burning to respond, when your name is being dragged through lies, or when others misunderstand your intentions. Silence doesn't mean surrender, it means control. It shows that you are not easily shaken by opinions or noise. Anyone can shout, anyone can argue. But it takes true discipline and emotional maturity to remain calm in the face of chaos. When you choose silence, you are not losing the battle. You are showing that you've already won the war within yourself. Because silence is not an absence of words. It's a presence of understanding, patience, and confidence in your own truth. Those who master silence master themselves. Your energy is one of the most valuable things you possess. It fuels your focus, your peace, and your growth. Yet many people waste it by reacting to negativity, explaining themselves to those who never truly listen, or fighting battles that don't matter. Silence becomes your shield, a quiet wall between you and the chaos that seeks to drain your spirit. When you choose not to respond, you're not being passive, you're preserving your inner calm. You're deciding that your peace is worth more than winning an argument. Every time you speak, you release energy. When you stay silent, you conserve it for things that truly matter. The more you protect your energy, the clearer your mind becomes, and the stronger your intuition grows. You stop chasing validation, and instead, you begin to feel empowered in your stillness. Silence is your filter. It keeps out the noise of distractions and lets only peace remain within you. There is an undeniable power in a person who doesn't rush to speak, argue, or explain themselves. Silence makes people curious. It draws attention without effort. When you stay silent, you communicate confidence. You show that you don't need to prove your worth with words. People learn that you are not easily provoked, that you think before you act, and that your peace cannot be disturbed easily. Silence commands a certain kind of respect that loudness never can. It tells the world that you have self-control, discipline, and emotional intelligence. The more you speak, the more people learn about your weaknesses, but when you remain silent, they are left guessing, wondering what you know, what you feel, and what your next move will be. It is in that mystery that respect is born. Silence makes your presence powerful. It demands attention without asking for it, and it teaches others that your value does not depend on their understanding. Words can be twisted, ignored, or forgotten, but actions speak a language that cannot be denied. When you stop trying to explain yourself and instead let your progress do the talking, you gain a power that no argument can match. People may doubt your intentions, criticize your silence, or question your worth, but they cannot argue with results. Every quiet effort you make, every goal you pursue in silence, builds a foundation that speaks louder than any defense ever could. Actions have a way of silencing noise. They prove what words only promise. When you focus on your growth instead of gossip, when you put your energy into becoming better instead of being bitter, you shift the narrative without saying a single word. The world eventually takes notice, not because you demanded recognition, but because your consistency made it impossible to ignore. Real victory is not found in convincing others. It's found in showing them through what you build, how you live, and how you rise without a sound. In silence, You find the calm that the noise of the world tries to steal. Every argument, every unnecessary conversation, every attempt to defend yourself chips away at your peace. But when you learn to stay quiet, to detach from chaos, and to choose calm over conflict, you begin to feel a deep stillness within you. Silence becomes your sanctuary, a sacred space where your thoughts can breathe and your heart can heal. It's in silence that you reconnect with yourself, that you hear your own intuition more clearly, and that you learn which voices deserve your attention and which ones don't. Peace doesn't come from winning battles with others. It comes from mastering the battles within your own mind. The quieter you become, the more you begin to see how much noise was only distraction. In silence, you stop chasing validation, stop explaining your worth, and start focusing on your own growth. You realize that not every situation needs your reaction. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is simply walk away with peace still intact. When you choose silence instead of defending yourself or proving a point, you give time the space to work in your favor. Time has a remarkable way of exposing what words cannot. Lies eventually crumble, pretenders reveal themselves, and truth finds its way to the surface, always. When you rush to explain or fight back, you often interfere with what time is already preparing to uncover. Silence is your way of saying, I trust that the truth does not need me to defend it. In that patience, your strength is shown. The people who doubted you will begin to see what you stood for all along, and those who spoke against you will face the weight of their own words. Time is the great equalizer. It brings clarity, justice, and understanding. It reveals who was genuine, who was pretending, and who was never meant to walk with you in the first place. By remaining silent, you allow truth to unfold naturally. You let the facts speak while you stay still, dignified and unbothered. When someone hurts you, betrays you, or tries to destroy your spirit, the natural urge is to react, to prove your strength by fighting back. But true strength lies in restraint. Choosing peace instead of revenge confuses those who expected to see you break. It unsettles those who wanted to see you fall. Peace is the quiet declaration that their actions no longer have control over your emotions. It's saying, you may have wounded me, but you cannot move me. The moment you stop engaging with negativity, you take away its power. You begin to realize that revenge only keeps you tied to pain, but peace sets you free from it. Walking away without bitterness, without anger, without words is the highest form of emotional intelligence. It's the calm after the storm, the kind that reminds you that not every battle deserves your fire. When you rise above the chaos and choose silence over reaction, you're not losing, you're evolving. Your peace becomes your proof that you've outgrown the situation, and your calm presence speaks louder than any retaliation ever could. In a noisy world filled with distractions, opinions, and endless chatter, silence becomes a powerful tool for clarity. When you distance yourself from unnecessary conversations and outside noise, your mind begins to sharpen. You start to see what truly matters and what is merely a distraction trying to pull you off your path. Silence allows your thoughts to align with your goals. It gives you the mental space to plan, reflect, and grow without interruption. The more silent you become, the more you start hearing your inner voice, the one that guides you toward purpose and progress. Constant talking scatters your energy, silence gathers it. It channels your strength into meaningful action instead of wasted explanation. Great thinkers, creators, and leaders have always understood the value of quiet focus. They knew that breakthroughs don't happen in noise but in stillness. When you stop giving attention to gossip, comparison, or negativity, your focus naturally shifts toward productivity and growth. Silence trains your mind to stay disciplined, your emotions to stay stable, and your goals to stay clear. Real transformation doesn't need an audience. It happens in the silence of your effort, in the moments when no one is watching, and in the spaces where you choose consistency over attention. Growth is not loud, it's steady, patient, and deeply personal. When you remove yourself from the noise of validation and focus on your inner journey, you begin to evolve in ways that words cannot describe. In silence, you learn your strengths, confront your weaknesses, and build a stronger version of yourself. The quiet seasons of life, when people misunderstand you, when nothing seems to move, when you feel alone, are often the most powerful times of preparation. It's in those silent phases that you develop endurance, wisdom, and self-control. Just like seeds grow underground before breaking through the surface, your growth often happens away from the spotlight. Silence gives you the room to heal, rebuild, and rise without pressure or judgment. It's a sacred space where you refine your vision, realign your priorities, and strengthen your purpose. There will come a time when your silence will teach others more than your words ever could. When people take your kindness for weakness, your silence will remind them of the strength you were holding back. When they expect you to argue, to react, or to beg for understanding, your quiet withdrawal will show them that your peace is not up for negotiation. Silence makes people reflect. It forces them to sit with their own behavior, their own guilt, their own emptiness. It shows them that access to your energy is a privilege, not a right. The moment you stop explaining, defending, or chasing, others begin to realize what they lost when they lost your presence. Silence exposes truth in ways confrontation never can. It unsettles those who depend on your reaction to validate their chaos. When you go quiet, you create distance, and in that distance, lessons are learned. They begin to understand that not everyone will argue, not everyone will fight back. Some people will simply walk away and let their silence echo louder than any words ever could. So, when the world pushes you to react, when people misunderstand your silence or question your calm, remember this. You are not here to prove yourself to anyone. Your peace, your focus, your growth, these are your answers. Let your silence be your statement. Let your actions be your evidence. Let your presence speak louder than your defense. Because true victory doesn't need applause, validation, or recognition. It only needs self-control, faith, and quiet strength. One day, those who doubted you will see the power in your silence. They'll realize that while they were busy talking, you were busy transforming. And when that moment comes, you won't need to say a word, because your silence will already have spoken your greatest victory.